Hey everybody, Pat here with Farland Classic Restoration. We are going to hop in this 1963 Jaguar XKE open two-seater. This one recently sold here on our site. We'll hop in with Bill and we'll be off. I was worried they were about to fly away on me. Try and do better about keeping my microphone low. Not catching all that wind noise.
Mainly just want to show him that the car's out of the shop, it's running and driving. Warning lights are now out. When we get going, you'll be able to zero in on the oil pressure gauge to show him that it's got. Of course, now idling it doesn't.
Yeah, we are reading there.